Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tavin from Tavin's Origami Instructions, and today I'll show you how to fold this whale in two variants, either a narwhal or a traditional whale. It's very easy to do, traditional design, any square paper sheet will work. There's one cut to be done, so even though it's great with kids, parental supervision is advised. Let's get right at it. As is so often the case, we start by folding diagonally in one direction. You don't need to use dual color paper, but if you do, start with the white side up for this. What we are doing now is a fish base. For that we unfold and then we fold in a kite shape the edge towards the crease in the diagonal on both sides, or more precisely all four sides. So unfold, fold again, to the other direction. For more precise folding now, rotate, unfold, and fold the kite shape in both directions again. The next maneuver is called a rabbit ear, what we do after this crease here. Alright, so we now have those double creases. We fold the other diagonal too, and then we're ready for the rabbit ear. So fold the kite folds both at the same time, and then the paper in center forms a rabbit ear, just like this. We fold it flat, create a new crease, and we do the same thing on the top, and this is called a fish base. Now we fold the fish base in half along the long diagonal. Nice and neat. Then we take those newly created flaps or rabbit ears, fold the angle bisector, and we do the same on the other side. The exact angle is really a matter of taste. This is not an exact science. Then we fold the front inwards, so it gives us a nice hat. Then we open it up and fold it in there. This is now the face. Then fold in at an angle the fin. Also, this is more a guess fold. Then make sure to reverse this one crease here and push it in, just like so. So we have a nice fin. Now comes the cut. We cut the fin in half along the center here, so we have one half of the fin pointing upwards and the other one downwards. So let's fold one fin down around the tail part like this. Make sure to remove excess paper. Then fold it in again. And there we go. That is our first whale. Angles could be adjusted a little bit, but that is the most simple variant of it. If we want to make a narwhal out of it, just fold the part here up at an angle, then close it and squash it together. Maybe pull the horn into a nice position like this. More realistic it would be if it would point more forward, but this just looks nicer. Now you're basically done, but for a more blue whale-like look, you take the same basic shape and fold the fin again. Reverse those folds. It's basically called an inside reverse fold, and then mark the fin, cut the fold one part down, pull it at an angle that looks neat. And then where the shoulders would be, we just fold it in a bit. Maybe half a finger to a finger wide. And just make sure that it's the same on both sides. And now it looks like a really big blue whale. Really nice. Let's get the other narwhal back again. And now you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.